In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DocuSign demo account for testing, specifically for DocuSign and Salesforce integration. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it easy for you to get started with your testing endeavors right away. First, let's head over to the official DocuSign website. DocuSign is renowned as a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and having an account here will provide you with all the tools necessary for managing your electronic agreements efficiently. You can find the website by searching for DocuSign in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, you'll notice a login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't yet have a DocuSign account, you'll want to create one first by following the on-screen instructions. However, if you've already set up an account, simply enter your login credentials to proceed. After logging in, let's navigate to the DocuSign home. You can usually access this by selecting an option or icon labeled Home or something similar. The homepage will serve as your main control hub for all DocuSign activities. Now let's focus on accessing the admin section. Locate and click the admin option, which will take you to the administrative settings of your DocuSign account. This section is crucial as it allows you to configure various account settings and options tailored to your needs. Once in the admin dashboard, you will need to click on Apps and Keys. This will lead you to a page dedicated to managing your applications and API keys. API keys are essential for integrating DocuSign with other platforms, such as Salesforce, so this step is quite important. Next, look for the developer account option and click on it. Creating a developer account is vital for testing because it segregates testing activities from your live environment, preventing any unintended impact on your real operations. Finally, the last step involves clicking on the Create Account button. Here, you'll be guided through a series of prompts to set up your demo account. Make sure to fill out all necessary information accurately to ensure your account is ready for use. And there you have it. With your DocuSign demo account set up, you're now equipped to test integrations and manage documents efficiently within DocuSign and Salesforce. Remember to explore the features available on your new account to maximize your testing capabilities. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this tutorial helps you get started with your testing projects.